Hello. Here in the product team at Klipspringer, we regularly hear assumptions relating to retractable markers. I just wanted to talk these through with you. First, why would you choose to use a retractable detectable marker like this one or like this one? Well, thanks to their ingenious design, it prevents the nib from drying out and the ink lasts longer. It also does away with the need for a cap, which is considered a foreign body risk. So what are the assumptions we hear that need double checking? Well, often I hear customers say that retractable detectable markers are less of a foreign body risk in a food factory than a conventional detectable marker. Is this the case? Let's take a look. In front of me, I have a retractable marker from a well-known brand. Let's take it apart. It's made up of 12 plus parts. 6 of these are made from non-detectable plastic. 5 of them are pieces which are smaller than your thumbnail, and the smallest of these, which is also on the outside of the marker, is less than 10 by 3 millimeters in size and is not detectable. At least one of these small pieces is also transparent, and it also contains a metal spring. Why would a metal spring be an issue? Well, essentially, a spring is simply a coiled piece of wire, and this is very difficult for even the best metal detectors to detect in certain orientations. This means that it is highly likely that it will not be detected by your metal detectors in the event that it gets into your product and production line. Now, I'll leave you to decide if you consider this a significant food safety and foreign body risk in your process. Before we do that, let's just have a look at what the alternative is. Let's look at a conventional detectable marker. Here's the retriever marker. It's made up of 5 pieces. All the plastic is food contact approved and detectable, and the smallest detachable part is the lid. So which marker presents the greatest risk to food safety and hygiene in your factory? We'll let you decide.